the platform of I Can Accomplish. I am Vinita Das, the special educator, having 7 years of experience in this field. I welcome you all in the video series of I Can Accomplish, where we'll be discussing various types of disabilities and disorders. This week, we'll be discussing about learning disability. In our previous section, we have discussed some myths and facts about learning disabilities, how to recognize the signs of learning disabilities, and whether children with learning disabilities succeed in their life. You can check our previous video of this video series section in I Can Accomplish channel for a better idea of the topic. Today we'll be discussing some more facts about learning disabilities. Why is early detection of a learning disability important? The need for early detection of learning disabilities all comes down to potential. Although learning disabilities all occur due to the way the brain is structured or in the way it functions, the problem emerges in different ways and at different ages from one child to the next. Children who may initially be thought to have lower intelligence than their peers may have normal intelligence, but have a problem learning that prevents them from reaching their potential. Not recognizing the reasons that young children struggle in school will prevent them from getting the help they need to reach their potential then and later on. Can learning disability be cured? Learning disabilities do not go away. Instead, they tend to grow more problematic as time is allowed to pass. Getting behind in 3rd grade may not seem like a significant problem. Once they reach 4th grade and then 5th, the impact of the learning disabilities become more apparent, but the children have already fallen well behind. By this point, children are feeling a lack of confidence and becoming more frustrated, sometimes resulting in their acting out. On the other hand, when the learning disability is recognized early on, steps can be taken to help the children to obtain the life skills needed for a successful life throughout adulthood. Sending a child with a learning disability to a school for special needs or in the schools with inclusive setup, which provide resource rooms for the children with special needs, can eliminate a number of additional problems from occurring. Children with learning disabilities are often held back because they are unable to meet the academic requirements to pass to the next grade. Behavioral problems can occur, and those who make it to high school are more likely to drop out when they do not receive treatment for the learning disability. The sooner learning disabilities are diagnosed and treated, the more likely children will be able to reach their potentials. And with the right support and intervention, however, children with learning disabilities can succeed in school and go on to successful, often distinguished careers later in the life. Parents can help children with learning disabilities achieve such success by encouraging their strengths, knowing their weaknesses, understanding the educational system, working with potentials, and working with professionals and learning about strategies for dealing with specific difficulties. We as parents and teachers are mostly concerned about the studies of our children, isn't it? There are many impacts of this disability on the studies of the children. Today we are going to discuss the impact of learning disabilities on the studies of these children. Children with learning disabilities often struggle with various areas of academic performance. During the elementary school years, a discrepancy between ability and achievement begins to emerge in students with learning disabilities. Often puzzling to strict teachers, these students seem to have strengths similar to their peers in several areas, but their rate of learning is unexpectedly slow. These problems usually persist from primary grades through the end of formal schooling, including college. Academic deficits for children with learning disabilities normally fall into the following areas: reading, mathematics, and writing expression. Some children have problems in only one select academic area, while others may experience difficulties in all three. Studies say that students with LD perform below expectations based on their measured potential, in addition to scoring below their peers in overall achievement. Attempts to quantify the discrepancy between academic achievement and academic potential for students with learning disability is most common. Early in the school years, youngsters with LD may find themselves 2 to 4 years behind their peers in level of academic achievement, and many fall even further behind as they continue in the educational system. This discouraging pattern often results in students dropping out of high school or graduating without proficiency in basic reading, writing, or math skills. The difficulties experienced by children with learning disabilities, especially for those who cannot read at grade level, are substantial and pervasive and usually last across the lifespan. The tendency to think of learning disabilities as a mild disability erroneously supports the notion that a learning disability is little more than minor inconvenience rather than the serious lifelong condition it is often distracts from the real needs of these students. General global facts about learning disabilities. 15% of the US population, or even in 7 Americans, have same type of learning disability according to the National Institute of Health. Difficulty with basic reading and language skills are the most common learning disabilities. As many as 80% of students with learning disabilities have reading problems. Learning disabilities often run in families. Learning disabilities should not be confused with other disabilities such as autism, intellectual disability, deafness, blindness, and behavioral disorders. None of these conditions are learning disabilities. In addition, they should not be confused with lack of educational opportunities like frequent changes of schools or attendance problems. Also, children who are learning English do not necessarily have a learning disability. With this note, we are ending our discussion, but promise you all to bring more awareness and facts about the topic. So stay tuned until we meet again. Don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe for our channel I Can Accomplish. Also visit our website www.iCanAccomplish.com to know more about who we are and what we do. Don't forget to click on the library section to see something interesting video. So, I am Vinita saying bye-bye to all the viewers. See you soon.